Hey, this is JJ with Deluxe Vehicle Detailing and Paint Correction. Just a quick video. I have been doing some reevaluation and experimenting of a wheel cleaning process that has gotten a lot of attention on a Facebook forum called Detailing for Money. Anthony Santiago has really been doing a lot of posts of his method, which is, using the brown first, whether it be Chocolate Thunder, which is a high pH, or Dark Fury from Superior Products, which is what I use, and just basically spraying on, letting it dwell, pressure washer off. Acid, I'm using Meguire's Wheel Brightner 3-to-1, and spraying that down, giving it about 30 seconds, 45 seconds, spraying it down, using east to west, west to east, south to north, and then north to south if you were looking at the wheel. So my wheels could use some serious attention as far as they're magnesium or something like that. They've got a plastic coating on them. They are not pretty. I would love to have them redone. I've looked into it a few times. But the basic gist of it is that as I've been doing this with some cars, and then last night kind of, late evening, did some experimentation on my wheels. And then I coated them in wheel wax. A client had given it to me quite a number of years ago. And anyway, I'm just a quick take in of this, process and what it can do as I use the wheel wax. There was very, very little brake dust at all after I did the two-step touchless, no brushes. I did scrub the tires with Dark Fury. I got inside my wheel wells and things. But anyway, if you haven't checked it out, go on Facebook and look for Detailing for Money and pump in on the search, Anthony Santiago, or, anything about a two-step touchless wheel process. There's a bunch on there in the month of July. I don't know how many posts there are, but there were a lot. And, it's just not a bad area. I took a little early morning drive. There are a couple ducks right there. And there's the Sand Key Bridge going into Clearwater Beach. And I'm right behind Morton Plant Hospital, which I could highly recommend if you ever have any needs. But anyway, I am just kind of going to do a series on this and, talk about the pH. And there is a kind of pop method where you put the Dark Fury and or Chocolate Thunder or whatever your high pH, degreaser might be. And then before rinsing, hitting it with the acid to get what is called the pop. And it's pretty effective, I got to tell you. I wasn't really reaching for the acid too much in the last few years. Only really hammered, wheels. And of course, this car, being my garage baby, is a 2006 M Roadster. It kind of looks like a Z4 if you don't know what you're looking at, but there are a lot of different particularities. I've got the double character lines going down the hood, so if you see one coming down the road, that's an easy get. There are little M's on the wheels. And this is a Mola Red with Sabang Bronze. It's one of 13 cars in the United States in this spec. Absolutely love this thing. It has done some fun runs at autocrossing up in Spring Hill at an airport runway. It's the beautiful little M. It has an actual working diffuser, unlike the Z4. And, the quad pipes, I think, look nice. But absolutely love this car, loving the process of the two-step, loving the east-west, west-east, south-north, north-south with a bent pressure washer angled shaft. I know you guys love bent shafts. So thanks for, just tuning in with me. I'm going to have a lot of updates, and once I get once I get a car in that's got some really hammered wheels, I am going to make a video on my new iPad and my new microphone and my new video clicker. I'm kind of happy about that. Bought a new tripod for the iPad, and I'm going to keep you guys updated. Comment, like, share. Have you ever tried the, high pH followed by acid and not even taken a brush to a wheel and had a clean outcome? These wheels were coated long ago. This whole car is about to get another polish, and I'm not quite sure what I want to put on it. Maybe Underdog HCC, maybe Dallas Paint Correction Prime TMR. Both leave behind a very thick coating and are super, super nice. I love both those products. I can't wait to try the HCC. So anyway, that's it for me. Wow, 6.5 minutes. That's pretty darn good. Y'all take care and enjoy making your cars beautiful.